What's up guys, this is Amir Sabri from CivilTutorial.com and welcome to your second Civil Engineering Mechanics tutorial. If you are familiar with the system of units, you can skip this session, but if you need a review, you can watch this tutorial. We will go through the International System of Units, or SI, U.S. Customary Units, and conversion methods between these two. The International System of Units is the modern form of metric system and is the world's most widely used system of measurement. In this system of units, we have three basic quantities, which are length, mass, and time. The unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. All these three units are independently defined. The unit of force is Newton, which is a derived unit based on second law of motion. F equals m sub a. And Newton is a force which gives an acceleration of 1 meter per second squared to a mass of 1 kilogram. Or we can draw it like this. 1 kilogram gets an acceleration of 1 meter per second squared under the force of 1 Newton. Some other derived units in SI system are unit of area, which is square meter, unit of volume, which is cubic meter, unit of density, which is kilogram per cubic meter, unit of velocity, which is meter per second, and unit of acceleration, which is meter per second squared. Common prefixes used for multiple and submultiple units are shown in this table. To make this more clear, I'll write some examples in front of each prefix. 1 megagram is equal to 10 to the power of 6 grams, or 1 million grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 to the power of 3 grams, or 1000 grams. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, or 1 over 100 meters. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters, or 1 over 1000 meters. And 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters, or 1 over 1 million meters. U.S. customary units are a system of measurements commonly used in the United States. The U.S. customary system developed from English units, which were in use in British Empire before American independence. In the U.S. customary units, we have three basic quantities, which are length, force, and time. The unit of length is foot, the unit of force is pound, and the unit of time is second. All these three units are arbitrarily defined, and the unit of time is the same as unit of time in International system of units. In U.S. customary system, the unit of mass is a derived unit, which is a slug, and it's based on second law of motion. A slug is a mass which receives an acceleration of 1 foot per second square when a force of 1 pound is applied to it. So we can write F is equal to m sub a, which is the second law of motion, and we can conclude that 1 pound is equal to 1 slug multiplied by 1 foot per second squared. And from here we can conclude that 1 slug is equal to 1 pound over 1 foot per second squared, or 1 pound second squared over foot. And we can show it like this. A mass of 1 slug will have acceleration of 1 foot per second squared under the force of 1 pound. In the study of statics, we usually deals with weight of bodies in pound rather than their mass in slug. But in the study of dynamics, we usually deals with mass of bodies in slug. We can simply convert mass to weight and weight to mass by second law of motion. As you may know, the weight of a body is equal to its mass multiplied by acceleration of gravity, or we can write the mass of a body is equal to its weight divided by g. And g, or acceleration of gravity, is equal to 30.2 feet per second squared. Some other common US customary units frequently used in engineering are mile, which 1 mile is equal to 5280 feet, and inch, 1 inch is equal to 1/12 feet, and kilopound, which is equal to 1,000 pounds. Okay, here I'd like to solve an example to show you how to convert one derived unit to another one. We have acceleration of 100 mile per hour squared, and we want to know the acceleration magnitude in feet per second squared. Okay, we know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet, and also 1 hour squared is equal to 3,600 to the power of 2 seconds squared. This number is coming from 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds. Okay. In order to get rid of A is equal to 100 mile per hour squared. Okay. In order to get rid of mile unit in the numerator, we should multiply this number by an expression contains mile in denominator. So we should multiply this by 50 to 80 feet, which is coming from here, multiplied by 1 mile. And in order to get rid of hour squared in denominator, we should multiply 100 by an expression contains hour squared in denominator. In numerator. So this mile cancels this one, and this hour squared cancel this hour squared, and the result is 0.0407 feet per second squared. So 100 mile per hour squared is equal to 0.04 feet per second squared. In order to convert from U.S. customary units to international system of units or vice versa, we should know the conversion factors. For the units of length, we should know that 1 foot is equal to 30, 48 meters. And from here we can derive that 1 foot is equal to 0.003048 kilometers, simply by dividing this number by 1000. And we can also derive that 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meters, simply by again dividing this number by 12. Okay. For the units of force, we should know that 1 pound is equal to 4.448 newtons. And for the units of mass, we should know that 1 slug is equal to 14.59 kilograms. Here I'd like to solve some examples for conversion between two systems. So let's say we have speed of 55 meters per second, and we want to know the speed magnitude in feet per second. Okay. We know that 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters, and now we have to multiply this number by an expression with meter unit in denominator, so they cancel each other, and feet unit at numerator. So from here we enter 1 and okay. These two cancel each other, and the result is 55 divided by 0.38 feet per second, which is equal to 180.9 feet per second. In the second example, we have density magnitude of 1 kilogram per cubic meter, and we want to convert it to slug per cubic inch. We have to multiply this number to an expression with kilogram in denominator and slug in numerator, and also we should multiply it by another expression with cubic meter at the top and cubic inch at the bottom. Okay. We know that 1 inch is equal to 0.0254, and also 1 slug is equal to 14.59 kilogram. So we just simply substitute these amounts. Okay, the 1 slug is equal to 14.59 kilograms, and 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meters. But these numbers goes to the power of 3 because of these. So the result is 0.254 to the power of 3 divided by 14.59 slug per cubic inch, which is equal to 1.123 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6 slug divided by cubic inch. Thank you guys for watching this video. In this session we have covered International and U.S. Customary system of units and the conversion methods between them. If you have any question, you can send me a message on YouTube, or you can send me email to info@civiltutorial.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch Civil Tutorial page on Facebook.